Hey everyone, Yitzi Nussbaum here with the Nussbaum team at KW. I'm super excited to feature our newest listing, 17 Parkside Drive, here in Jackson, New Jersey. Let's go in and take a look. Built in 2006, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, sits on over 1.9 acres. This home is an absolute gem. Hope you guys enjoy this tour. As you enter into the house, you got your living room on the right side, dining room on the left side. Hardwood floors flow throughout the entire house. And then you got a wet bar right here leading into the kitchen. This kitchen is fitted with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, you got a pantry, and then that flows right through the French doors out to the deck. This is the ballroom of this house, an absolute beautiful double-story family room. This is where the magic happens. This backyard offers a huge Trex deck for your family to enjoy. Oh, and did I mention, you also have a full walkout basement. Let us know what you think of this home in the comments below. To schedule a showing, give us a call, 929-777-0347. Thanks for watching.